Hello, today we'll be showing you guys how to use an Android emulator on your OS X device, which is typically a MacBook or a Mac desktop computer. So first you'll want to download Genymotion. This is the actual emulator. Alright, so you sign in right here. I already have an account, so I don't have to sign in. Okay, I got lost. One moment. Alright, product. So once you log in, made your account or whatever, you'll want to go on the product tab, or it should just have a tab somewhere, and you'll download Genymotion. There's the business one, which you kind of don't need in my opinion, but then there's also the free one. So I'll be using the free one for this video. Scroll down, you'll find the download. I already have it, so I'm not going to re-download it. It only takes a few seconds. And here's the system requirements. You'll need 400 megabytes of disk space, which is 4/10 of a gigabyte, not that much. And you'll need 2 gigabytes of RAM, which is pretty typical for most computers now. So with that being said, you'll also need virtual bots. This is what the emulator needs to run. Here's some information about it if you want to read this. And you'll go to the Downloads tab right here. We're using OS X, so we'll be downloading this one. I already have it, so I'm just gonna cancel this download. And once you download these two files, you'll put them on your desktop right here, where I have mine. So next, you'll open up both of these. Alright, so from there, just drag them to your desktop, or put them in your applications folder, whichever. Wait for them. You should probably, if you want, this is just all preference, you can make a folder for it. So you just have everything in one place and not scattered around your computer or whatever. So I'm putting mine in a folder. These are just the files this opened up, so you don't need any of this anymore. So from here, you don't need to open this. Do not open this. Open Genymotion app and virtual bots PKG. So from here you'll have to install these. This is for virtual bots. Install location if you want to change it. And right here you type your username and password of an administrator account. And here's Genymotion. I already have one. I'll be deleting this so I can show you guys how to use it. Alright, this is done. So, with that being said, virtual bots should be downloaded. And here's the screen you'll get for Genymotion. So, here's your settings. Alright, so there's my old username and password. You kind of don't need to change any of this. You probably shouldn't mess with this at all, actually. It's just settings for this. Here's some general settings. You could change those. So from here, you'll want to add a new virtual device. These are all different virtual devices you could use. But if you notice, none of these have the Google Play Store. So if you want to have the Google Play Store, you'll have to download a special one from a special link, which I'll be showing you guys momentarily. I actually closed it, but alright. One moment. Alright, so I'll have this link somewhere in the video. It's just to download. Oh wait, no, that's the wrong link, my bad. Okay. Alright, so here's the file you'll need. I'll have this link posted, or I'll have this link on the video. Do not download these individually. You'll just go to this download right here. So download this. It is not a virus. It says Google Drive can't stand for viruses, but this is not a virus. So you'll download this. Wait for it to finish. I don't know how long this is going to take. So for now, we'll just wait for it. Or let's explain the virtual box a little more. Let's see, where is it? Alright, this is done. So we'll drag that into that folder, see if it's there. Alright, here's VirtualBox, guys. This is a virtual machine. You get to make a new one here, Mac OS X. We do not need this. We will be making one on Genymotion. So, we have Genymotion. Where is it? Alright, Genymotion and VirtualBox. On Genymotion, let's see. There should be an import tab, I believe. Alright, I think we have to add it from here. Hold on, one moment. Alright, import appliance. Alright, and then you'll open this OVA file. Import. Alright, so this is the virtual disk. It's pretty much the Android device will be emulating. And there we go. Okay, so for the settings, you could change the RAM or the RAM. So for this, I'll be using 2 GB of RAM, 2000 megabytes. 4 processors or dual core would be fine. Alright, that's like everything's fine. You do not start it from here. Just minimize that. And actually, one moment. There we go. So you have to relaunch the app. Once you do that, you'll have the virtual device here, and you just start it. It's starting up, so we wait for that. And right here, it's starting to show a preview of what's actually happening on the screen, even though you should see it right here. So you should change the proportion, of course. One moment. Right now it's booting up. Alright, there we go. So it's trying to ask you to set it up just like a normal phone. And here's where you put in your Google account. And you type with the normal keyboard, which is actually a really nice feature. You don't have to use the on-screen keyboard type thing. And it's going to use this as a tablet, not a phone. Alright, so here we go. The tutorial. We have all the applications. No lag, as you could see. We have Play Store, we have settings, we have everything. So let's say I wanted to get Clash of Clans. You just go here, you could download it. No problem. And if I wanted Five Nights at Freddy's, here it is. You just search for it and it's right there. So pretty much everything's the same as a normal tablet. Here's your home power buttons. Alright, there it goes. So there's your game. And that's pretty much how to use this program. You can change the scaling, the proportions, everything pretty much. So you can play in full screen or however. And you can log into your Google account from here. So if I wanted to use the same account on here as I use on my phone, I could do that. I'll show you guys right now, if it lets me. Alright, there we go. We'll wait for this. There we go. So my account's loading. This is the one I use on my phone. And it appears as if I got rated. So as you should see, runs perfectly fine. Once again, this is an emulator, so you get to use... Everything runs perfectly fine, as you should see. You get to use the Android device on here as if you were actually on the device. So I think it's a pretty cool feature. No lag whatsoever. Everything runs smooth. So thank you guys. This is my video tutorial. Bye.